Hey everyone, I am coming at you unfiltered. I hope you appreciate and don't judge because I just got out of the shower and I was thinking about you because I really wanted some hot chocolate. And I am gonna teach you how to make it in a delicious way that has no chemicals. Well, really healthier way to make hot chocolate. And the first part of it is I just take coconut milk. And this is out of a can, and I'm not gonna have the whole can, but you can pour it into a mason jar, and on Amazon you can actually buy lids for your mason jars, and I have them labeled because my husband has food allergies, so this is one of mine. And I'm gonna use what the serving size is, just so you know, it's 110 calories per quarter cup, but this is really super thick and creamy. So I'm gonna use 1/8 of a cup and mix it with some water to get a 55 calorie serving of coconut milk where the only ingredients are coconut milk and water. So that's a way to make your own coconut milk, and then I can keep using from the mason jar 1/8 cups as I want, mixed with water for smoothies or whatever else I want to make. And I'm gonna pour that into a mug, and I'm going to add some 4 Sigmatic mushroom hot chocolate. And anyone who knows me well knows that I hate mushrooms, can't stand them. They're healthy for you, I just cannot stand how they taste. Well, 4 Sigmatic has managed to figure out how to get the health benefits of a mushroom into something that tastes like hot chocolate with cinnamon. So there's little packets in here, and you can order these or find them in health food stores. And there's a little packet of mushroom hot chocolate milk or mix that I'm gonna mix with my coconut milk, and I'll let you know how it is. Did you see how messy that was when I was stirring and it was like just splopping all over the table? Well, this is raw footage, people, but it's delicious. 2 thumbs up. It's super coconutty, super delicious. I hope you try it. Let me know what you think. Cheers.